Good morning, dear students. Once again, I am here to teach you English. Now, we have started in our previous video lecture number 16. We have started one chapter number 4, Eating Healthy with Gunduram, and I have already explained you some of the portion of this chapter. Now, this is the part second of this explanation. So in last video we have finished the story up to here on page number 33, this line sulking. Okay, up to here we have already understood the story. Keep ready your pencils to underline the hard words, new words. Now I am starting from here. Suddenly, okay. Now what happened up to here? Let me remind you the story. Gunduram is a fatty boy, lethargic, okay, sluggish, obese, okay, and he had a bad habit. What type of bad habit he was having? That he was eating, and all time he is eating, and he is thinking about only the taste, deliciousness of the food. But what is wrong in that? The one thing is that he is always eating. The second bad thing, he never go outside to consume that much he has eaten. Okay. Third thing, that he was eating only junk foods, though his house is surrounded by some good vegetables and fruits gardens, but even then he always munch on chips, the fried things, chips, junk foods, cutlets, cold drinks, ice cream, all these things he was always munching them. He was gorging on them, eating greedily. Now what happened one day his mother scolded him, forced him, told him, don't just sit in the house, go outside for some exercise, walk in the field sometime, consume your food, whatever you have eaten. So at least digest it. For digestion, you should go outside and do some exercise or move freely. So he was feeling hurt. His feelings were hurt because he was scolded by his mother. So he was feeling very bad, hurt, and he was angry with his mother. So he escaped into the fields and he sat there somewhere, and he was sulking. Means root gaya. Okay, he was not ready to talk with anybody. Suddenly what happens? Now we are continue from here. Suddenly what happened? Before him, in front of him, stood a radiant lady. Radiant means the radiations, means the light, the rays of the lights are coming out of her body, so that she was brightening. So she was looking bright, radiant lady. You can see in the picture, that is a goddess. Okay, she was green in color. She was all wearing green and wore clothes and jewels made of vegetables and fruits. So underline this word, radiant. The meaning of radiant is given here, glowing, brightly glowing. Some glow is coming out of our body, some rays, some light is coming out. So she was green in color. Why she was in green in color? Because she was wearing the dress of leaves, green leaves and green vegetables, and she was wearing also the jewels. Jewels means earrings, garlands, okay, nose ring, finger ring, all these things, bangles, these all things were made up of some fruits or some juicy vegetables, some good vegetables. So these is called jewels. Okay, you can underline this word jewels, jewelry, jewels, some such ornaments which ladies generally wear. Nowadays, boys are also wearing earrings and bangles and all these things, rings. Okay, smiling gently at Gundu. You can just look at in the picture. She is smiling gently at Gundu. She was smiling. She said, I am Shakambari. Okay, the name of that lady was Shakambari, the goddess of the gardens. Now, the name of that lady is Shakambari, and who was she? She was the goddess. Goddess means you must have seen gods. God means the male gods, and goddess means Deviya, lady. Okay, lady, God is called goddess. But look at the spelling of the goddess. Goddd and ESS means two letters are double here, double D and double S. So notice that. So she was goddess of the gardens. Gardens means the fields where the plants and crops are grown. Okay, vegetables, fruits, these are grown in the gardens. So she was the goddess of the gardens. So remember, who was she? She was the goddess of the gardens. And the name of that lady was Shakambari. Now, why her name is Shakambari? Actually, Shakambari is the Sanskrit word. Okay, Sanskrit is a language. In 6th class, you will study that language also. Now you are studying Hindi and English, two languages. But on 6th onward, you will learn one more language, that is Sanskrit. So in Sanskrit, let me tell you, Shak, Shak. Shak. Shak means vegetables. The meaning of Shak word is vegetable. Vegetables in Sanskrit language is called Shak. Ambari, Ambari means wearing. Okay, Amber. So Shakambari means the lady who is made up of vegetables and fruits. So that is the meaning of Shakambari, the goddess of gardens. Why do you look so upset? Now she asked Gunduram, why do you look so upset? Why are you angry? Why are you sulking here? Okay, what happened to you, little boy? So she asked. Gunduram shared his problem with her. Now he explained his problem, that what problem he is facing in his life. So he shared all his problems of his life to Shakambari. He told her everything. How everyone called him lethargic. Okay, just like you are kidding with your friends in the school, you call them with a different name. Okay, lazy, idiot, or anything, whatever you, it doesn't matter. But everyone in his school was calling him lethargic. That word we already have underlined. Lethargic at school. Everyone in the school, they call him lethargic. And home, school and home, both places, everybody is telling him or calling him lethargic. Lethargic means lack of energy. The person who is very lazy and who is very slow to do any work, that is called lethargic. Okay, low stamina. And how he had started feeling unwell. He also told that how he was feeling unwell now. Unwell means he is not good as before. Unwell, but did not know what was wrong. Nowadays he was feeling very unwell, not good, but he don't know the reason why he was feeling so. What happened wrong with him? He don't know. So he explained and he discussed his problem with Shakambari. She heard all of his grievances. She means who? Shakambari. Shakambari heard. Heard means suna. Heard, listened all of his grievances. Now this is a new word for us. So underline this word, grievances. What is the meaning of grievances? Complaints. Shikayatein. Now he was complaining that I am feeling bad, everybody is calling me lethargic and I don't know the reason. Okay, so these were the grievances, complaints of his life, and he was complaining to whom? He was complaining to Shakambari, the goddess of the garden. So she heard all of his grievances patiently. That word we already underlined in the last chapter, means first chapter, patiently. Okay, Chanakya was patiently hearing the grievances of Chandragupta Maurya, and Chandragupta Maurya was impatient. He was doing hurry to listen the solution. So that same word is used here, patiently, shanti se, dheere se. Okay, so she was hearing all the grievances of Gunduram patiently, and then said, after listening his problems, his grievances, his complaints, she said, let me introduce you to some of my friends, Gundu. Now, what was the solutions he was telling? That Gundu, let me introduce with some of my friends. I have some friends. So let me, चलो तुमको introduce करवाती हूँ. Let me introduce you some of my friends, Gundu. They have helped many children like you. And my friends, they have helped many children like you to become strong and healthy. My friends have already helped many children like you to become strong and healthy. So they will also help you. If you listen to them, if you follow the instructions of them, they will help you too. So they will help you too. आपकी भी मदद करेंगे. Okay. So saying means after saying these words, Shakambari started walking towards tomato patch. Now Shakambari, after saying this sentence, she started walking towards the tomato patch. What is tomato patch? Means if you go in some field, you will find some kind of peaches. Peaches means some lines, some rows in which some plants are grown. Okay, so here tomatoes are grown. If you have gone through some farms, okay, you must have seen from cars when you are traveling with your family to anywhere. So you must have seen so many tomato and vegetables are grown in fields and gardens. So these all are called patches. So this is the one of the patch where tomatoes are grown. In this field, tomatoes are grown. So this is called tomato patch. The area patch means some small piece of land where tomatoes are only grown. Then the second patch there may be some other vegetable. The next there may be some other fruits or vegetables. So these different kind of small patches. Okay, just like in this small patch tomatoes are grown. Okay, there may be some other also where some other vegetables are grown. Okay, so I can say this is a tomato patch, this is potato patch, and this is any other just like pumpkin patch. So these type of different patches are there. So now she was moving towards the tomato patch, with Gundu running to catch up with her. Now she was walking fastly. She was simply walking, but she was walking fast. And Gundu, since he has low stamina, since he was a fatty boy, so he was running after lady, because lady was walking fast and he wanted to catch up the speed with the lady, so he have to run slowly. So he was running because he was small in height and he was fatty also. Okay, now come to the next page, number 34. With my blessings, you will be able to hear these friends talk for some time. Come along, she said. Now, since she was a goddess, so she must have some miraculous powers. Okay, just like the other gods, if you have seen the mythological series, so god, they have some powers, special powers. So she is also blessing Gunduram with some power for a little time. For some time, she granted him some powers, special powers. Now he can hear and he can talk with some of the fruits and vegetables. Because who were there? Those friends of Shakambari? The friends of Shakambari was some fruits and some vegetables. Now, with the help of her blessing, for a little time, for some time, Gunduram is able to hear and talk with some vegetables and fruits. That was the special power belongs to goddess. She first walked him through a tomato patch. Now she was walking through this tomato patch and Gunduram was also following her. So remember which patch they walked through first? Tomato patch. As he looked, searching for Shakambari's friend, the cherry red tomatoes growing in patches greeted him excitedly. Hello, Gundu. Now, when he was, both of them, they both are walking through this tomato patch. Gunduram was searching. Where are her friends? Where are they? I don't see anybody. But suddenly what happened? When they are passing through tomato patch, one of the tomato, he spoke and he greeted Gunduram. Greeted means greetings. What are greetings? Greet means whenever you meet anybody, you say hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, whatever. That is called greetings. How do you greet your teachers? Say good morning or goodbye. Hello, sir. How are you, sir? These are greetings. So one of the tomato, excitedly, he saw Gunduram and he greeted, hello, Gundu. That is the greetings. And cherry red. Cherry red is a name of color. You can see tomato, they have cherry red color. Okay. So one of the cherry red tomato growing, who is growing on the plant, in patches greeted him excitedly. Hello, Gundu. You can also underline excitedly, because some of the students, they don't know the spelling of this word, so I am underlining this word. Okay, excitedly, you should know the spelling. After overcoming his pleasant shock at hearing the red tomatoes speak, he heard them saying, means after overcoming means after recovering, means first he shocked that how can a tomato speak, but he was shocked, and after he recovered from this incident that how can a vegetable speak like human. So first he shocked, but after some time he recovered, and he, after overcoming his pleasant shock, and this shock was pleasant. Pleasant means happy, happy shock, happily, because he was very excited to see a tomato talking like human. Red tomatoes speak. He heard them saying. Now again the tomatoes are saying, and he heard. We tomatoes are rich in vitamin A, B, and C. Tomatoes are saying that we tomatoes are very much rich. Rich means we contain vitamin A, B, and C. So, dear students, remember, tomatoes, they contain, or they are rich in vitamin A, B, and C, and which these nutrients are very helpful to build our body strong. If you have us, have means eat us. So tomatoes are saying that if you eat us, you can avoid colds, coughs, and many other problems. Now tomatoes are suggesting to Gundu Ram, if you eat tomatoes, if you eat us, then you can avoid means पीछा छुड़ा सकते हो, you can avoid from some type of disease, just like cold, नाक बहती सर्दी, that is called cold. Coughs, खांसी, so you can avoid colds, coughs, and many other problems. You will never fall sick if you eat tomatoes. Okay. The best part is you can eat us in curries, salads, and juices. We are delicious. Who are saying this? Tomatoes are saying to Gundu Ram that if the best part is that you can eat us in curries, just like your mother sometimes she cooks curry. Okay, so in curries you can have us some for some flavors. Tomatoes are put in. Your mother is putting some tomatoes in the curry to make the taste. And curries, salads. Sometimes we cut the tomatoes raw, and we can, without cooking tomato, we can consume tomato. Some of the vegetables we can directly consume without cooking, just like tomato we can eat raw without. And juice, some of the people, they are making juice in a juicer, and then take out the juice and they take it very clear. We are delicious. Delicious means tasty. We are very good in taste. So you can underline this word, delicious. We are delicious. We are tasty. Okay, our taste is very good. So these are the advice given by tomatoes to Gundu Ram. Next, after crossing this page of tomatoes, next page was, they crossed a page that looked empty. Now they are turning towards some other page, but that page was looking empty. There were no tomatoes, any other type of vegetable. It was looking empty. Empty means khali, vacant. So the page that looked empty. Shakambari said, this too is a veggie page. Veggie is the short form of vegetable. In the stories, somewhere we use the small part, the short part of some, just like veggie page. This is also a veggie page, means there is some vegetables grown in this field too. You might think it is empty. You might be thinking, शायद तुम सोच रहे हो. Might means शायद. You might be thinking, you might think that it is empty, but it is not. It is not empty. But there are potatoes under the ground. You cannot see the plant or any fruit or vegetable out of the ground, but under the ground, below the clay, mitti, below the soil, there are some vegetables which are growing. Some leaves are looking outside, just some type of plants or leaves are, they have plants and leaves, but the tomatoes, they generally grow on the upper part of the plants, outer plant of the part of the plants in some twigs, but potatoes, they grow under the ground. So you must have read this in your EVS, that some of the vegetables, they grow on the upside of the ground, and some of the vegetables, they generally grow under the ground. So ask your EVS teacher that which are the vegetables which generally grow outside and which are the vegetables which generally grow under the ground. Okay, that is the task for you. Okay, now you might think it is empty, but there are potatoes under the ground. Potatoes, aloo, you can see here, these are tomatoes and these are potatoes. Tomatoes, they grow on the upper part of the plant, but potatoes, they grow under the ground. Okay, below the ground. So suddenly Gundu heard the potatoes speak. Now again in this page, some of the potatoes, or one of the potatoes from under the ground, he spoke, and he heard, Gunduram heard some voice. Hi Gundu, hi Gundu, he greeted also. They called out, everyone loves us. Who is saying that? Potatoes. Everyone loves us. But most people make a mistake. Just like children, they have in everything they have potatoes. Just like in burgers and French fries, chips, potato chips, they love to eat. But they made some mistake. What mistake is that? They like us fried. Fried means mother or anybody else frying the potatoes in oil. After frying in oil, they lose their vitamins. But no one realize that we lose much of good in us when oily and fried. What mistake the children are doing? Children love us, of course. They eat us in French fries, like in French fries, in chips and other things. Okay, hot dogs and different things they have us. But what mistake they did? They always make a mistake that they first fry us, then they eat us. But once we are fried in oil, we become oily and we lose most of good things which are already in us. But when we are fried in the oil, we lose our good nutrients in the oil, and then you eat us, which is not nutritious. However, when we are boiled or baked, we have lots of potassium, calcium, iron, iodine, vitamin C, and many more good things. Now potatoes are telling their real story that if you don't fry us, or rather than frying, if you can bake us on the frying pan. Tell your mother to bake or boil in water. If you boil them, don't fry them, boil them or bake them directly in the oven. Then if you consume us, that will be very beneficial for your body, because we are rich in potassium, calcium, iron, and many more things, iodine, vitamin C. These all good things you can have if you eat us after boiling or after baking. Don't fry us in oil. Okay, otherwise all the good things will go in oil only. Okay, that is the mistake. You never do this mistake. Tell your mama that if you are cooking potatoes for us, so please don't fry them. Now come to the next paragraph. Now here in this paragraph, is there any hard word? I think all are general words. Now come to the next paragraph. Gundu felt bad. He felt very bad because till now he was eating potatoes after frying. He had eaten so many potatoes, but he had missed all the good in them. Missed means छूट गया था. Okay, उसने मिस कर दिया था. What did he miss? He missed all the good nutrients in them, in potatoes. He had eaten lot of potatoes till now. During means up to this age, he had already consumed so many potatoes, but he consumed them fried. He told them. Now Gundu told potatoes. Gundu told potatoes. He told them, from now on, आज से, अभी से, I will eat you in right way. Now he is telling that from now on, I will eat you in a right way. Means, in a right way means I will not eat you in a wrong way. Wrong way was fried. When the potatoes are fried, it is a wrong way. And the right way, when the potatoes are consumed after boiling in water or baked in oven. So, in right way, I will take it. Bidding the potatoes. Now, underline this word, bidding. Bidding the potatoes goodbye. Bidding means wishing, greeting. Now, when you are departing from anybody, you wish them goodbye. So, Gunduram also bidding the potatoes goodbye. Shakambari led him further to the pumpkin patch. Now, first they went into tomatoes patch, then they moved into potatoes patch. Now they are moving towards pumpkin patch. Have you seen pumpkin patch? Pumpkins are very big in size, okay, just like watermelon, okay, very big than the watermelon also, and they generally grow up above the ground, not under the ground. They are above the ground. Now Shakambari led him further to the pumpkin patch. A plump pumpkin spoke to him. Plump means fatty. The pumpkin was also plump. He was also fatty, means big in size. The plump pumpkin spoke to him. Now come to page number 35. Did you know that I have countless vitamins in me? Who said this? Pumpkin said this to Gunduram. Pumpkin said this to Gunduram. That do you know? Do you know? क्या आपको पता है? That I have countless vitamins in me. Countless. You cannot count how many vitamins do I have. I have many countless vitamins in me. Do you know? My juice cleans the stomach. If you take my juice, your stomach, your digestion system is totally cleaned out. So my juice cleans the stomach and throws out the bad fat. Just like you have bad fat, which is accumulated in your body, just like in your tummy, okay, in your shoulders and everywhere. That is called bad fat. You know, some fats are very good for us, so that we eat the fats more. But if you don't consume, they will accumulate in your body parts, okay, and you will look like fatty. So that is called bad fat. So if you take my juice, so it will clean your stomach very good. And second thing, it will throw out the bad fat which is accumulated here in your body, that will be cleaned. So if you eat me in time, you will lose your extra fat and become healthy. So that is the most useful thing which Gunduram feel necessity of. He was feeling, means this is the main problem. He want the solution, that he became so much fatty, so he wanted to lose his fat. So that is the solution. Who gave the solution to this problem? Pumpkin gave the solution, and he said to Gunduram, if you eat us, means some of the children like you, they don't eat pumpkin. They don't like to eat the vegetables or veggies made by your mother, pumpkin vegetable. But if you eat it, they will clean your stomach and you will become healthy. Okay. So always try to eat all type of vegetables. They are very, very good in nutrition. So you will become healthy. Next paragraph. Similarly means same. Similarly, Shakambari and Gundu visited all the vegetables growing in the garden. Each had a wonderful tale to tell and some interesting facts to share. Now, one after another and after another, one after one, they went into all the vegetables pages one by one, and every vegetables was very, very good in some interesting facts they were containing in themselves. So they always told some stories to them. Now you can notice here, similarly Shakambari Gundu visited all the vegetables growing in the garden. Each of the vegetable had a wonderful tale to tell. Now underline these three words, tale to tale. Tale to tale. Now one tale is T-A-L-E, tale. Tale means story. Okay. Tale means story. And one tale is speaking. Every of the this type of every vegetable and different type of vegetable and fruits, they have a different type of stories to tell Gunduram. So they all told the all type of stories to Gunduram. One tale is story and one tale is to speak. Some interesting facts to share. Say they always means they all shared their interesting facts, just like pumpkin, potatoes, tomatoes. They all told that what we are good in or what we are containing good in ourselves. So everybody shared their good interesting facts to Gunduram. Underline this word interesting, because some of the students, they don't know how to spell this word interesting. So we need to learn this word. Next paragraph. Finally, pleased with Gundu's excited and glowing face. Pleased means, one please is when you request anybody, please give me your pen, please give me this, or please help me. That please is when you ask some help from anybody, you generally use this word please. Now here, please means, one more meaning of the please is happy. Pleased means happy. Finally, pleased with Gundu's excited and glowing face. Now, after visiting all type of pages and after talking to all type of vegetables, Gundu was very happy. So his face was also glowing with happiness. So after seeing or after looking at his face, glowing face, she was pleased. Who was pleased? The goddess of the garden, Shakambari. She was pleased, happy. Pleased means happy, to see the excited face or happy face of Gunduram, because some time earlier he was sulking. he was feeling very bad. Now he is feeling very good. Shakambari gave him a hug. Hug means gale laga lena. So finally, now it is time to depart from each other. So finally, Shakambari gave a hug to Gunduram and said to him, what did she say to Gunduram? I have to go now. Now it is time of departing. I have to go now. And help other children like you. Where I am going? I am going to help the other children like you. Because what is my work? I always help the other children. So like you, the other children are also in trouble. So I am going to help them. Remember to keep enjoying your friends from the fields. Now, she is telling that remember to keep enjoying your friends from the fields. Means when I depart from here, you always take your other friends to the fields and you tell them that this vegetable, what is good in this and what is the right way to eat this. So tell your other friends also. Bring them into the pitches and tell them. So what is the benefit of the different type of fruits and vegetables. So remember always. If you remember their words and eat all the right kind of foods. Now one more thing. One thing that your friends like you, boys and girls, bring them. And one, remember your friends means tomatoes, potatoes, pumpkins, and these are also your friends. Okay, now they are your friends. So remember your friends also, what they have told you. So always remember. And remember to bring your other friends also into the page and tell them what they have good things in them. So always remember your friends. And if you remember their words, if you memorize their words and eat all right kinds of food, not the wrong kind of food, now eat right kinds of the food, you will soon be healthy and happy. You will be thin. Like here, you can see now the Gunduram has changed totally. He become a healthy boy because before this encounter, because this good incident of meeting Shakambari, he was very fatty and unhealthy. Now he has become very healthy and good. You will soon be healthy and happy. So saying, means after saying this, she waved a cheery goodbye and vanished. Waved means to move your hands like this. Tata, bye bye. That is called waving hand. So finally she waved the hands, a cheery goodbye and vanished. Cheery means happy. Happy goodbye and vanished. Now underline this word, vanished. Vanished means disappear, gayab ho jana. Just like God, when they appear suddenly and they disappear suddenly. That is called vanished. आँखों से ओझल हो जाना, गायब हो जाना, disappear. Now, our time is over, so that's why I am ending my video here. Now, in the next lecture, I will make explanation part 3. So, I will continue from here. Till now, I have already explained you can revise this and reread these words and this story again and again. At least remember, at least 5 times you need to read full chapters loudly at your home. Okay, take care, goodbye.